I'm Kalanda Joachim, and this is my presentation on the Linux assignment 1. The assignment was ordering us to use talk to show the process running on the machine. That's part 1 of assignment 1. And now when I type talk, the talk command can help us to show running processes on the computer, as you can see. The next step was telling us to make talk sort by memory usage so that the most memory hungry process appear at the top. Now here we can press Now the next question was telling us to restrict the display to show only processes owned by you. Here we type Ctrl C, and when we type Ctrl C, then we type PS, UX. Now when we enter, the system can display list of processes used by me as the user now. Now the next step is about killing the processes or one of the process. So now you can order the computer to kill immediately. Now I'm going to get one process. Now we can kill this process here. 4567. Now when we try to kill it, you will see that it's not going to go on working. Now another example can be displayed like that, and we can also get another example like when we try to kill this bash, we can type kill immediately. Now we get the code for bash. It's 5225, and the bash will take us back immediately. So Then after that you can go on with another part. Now we are going to display a list of all processes running on the machine. Now they are only those processes, the bash and PS. The next step, now they are telling us to get the same listing as a tree using PS and PS tree. Now here can type PS tree. Can see the system files are displayed like a tree. Now the next step, they are telling us to get the same listing. They are telling us that have PS sort to output, PS sort the output by system time used, and there we can use the PS sort. Now we type PS EF. Now when we enter, the computer can see display the processes that are working and their time. Now you can see here it's showing that this process started running earlier than this one. This one started running at 9, this one is started running at 10, this one at 12, this one 13, 14, like that. And the next step, they are requiring us to record a video as we are presenting about the following concepts and post it. The first concept, differentiate between nice and really nice commands. Now when we go to differentiate nice and really nice commands, now nice and now let's say 18. nice. And pen 45. So you can see that this number, it's becoming the first priority in the top command. And another example, you can type nice. Can type nice. And slash 4 5 5 4 5 bash. Now it's displaying bash as the priority. So for renice, type renice. Then get a number here. Let's say minus p, then 5580. very nice. So that's the output. Very nice. The process ID is changed according to the priority, and this is the older priority and this is now the new priority. So we are going to another part, which is the PS and PS3. Now for the PS and PS3, you can type the PS. It's this one, where this is the process ID, the priority ID. This one is the terminal name, and this one is the time which a program is running, and this is the command, the CMD. Now we are going for the PS3 that displays the content in the tree form. Now we type PS3. Now that's the content for the PS3, and that's the difference between the PS and PS3, because all of them work differently. Now they are asking us about the FG, and BG. Now the foreground, this is where processes can run alone without running other processes at a time. Now we can get an example like cat then when we start cutting any file or printing any file, we can't type another command without completing this file. We have to first complete the file, then we go to other processes of commanding the computer to work on something else. So that's the foreground, and now we go to the background. For the background, this is where processes can run even though some processes are running. For them, they can run behind those working processes, like the antiviruses. For the antiviruses can work even though you've not ordered it to work at a time. It just detects the viruses and works on them even if you are going on with other tasks on a computer. And now here we can get an example in the foreground, like when we type the PS, the computer shows that the bash and the PS processes are running behind what we are doing now, and that's the easiest example of the background process. And another question, is staying just to explain the meaning of the term daemon in Linux. And for the daemons, this is a program that runs without interruption. It can also run without initiation by the user. Let's write this code. Now this is the daemon. These files are just all processes or programs are shown with a question mark between them. And thank you for listening to my presentation.